One of the most underutilized tools in Lightroom is this intensity slider. We have created all of our presets so it works with the intensity slider, and it can really push your images to the next level or just give you even more variety in how you edit. So let's just go ahead and do Refine 2, which is our cleanest non-film style preset. This beautiful image is by Danielle Hobbs. And as you can see, it's gorgeous. There just really doesn't need much. It's a beautiful image, great exposure, great white balance. Even with Refine 2, it looks gorgeous. But if I want to really push it and give it a little more of that film look, a little more depth, a little more luminosity, just by pushing the slider, I can get that. As you can see, it just really brought in that extra depth and the extra punch that everybody really likes. And you also have it with the other strengths. So if I pop this one over and push it, you can see how it really deepens those areas up, and then you can adjust from there however you need. But it can really just give your images just that extra little boost. And so many people forget that it's there, and you can even pull it down. So if you have an image that's super saturated and contrasty and you want Refine 2 on it, but it's just still a little heavy because the image started heavy, dial it back a little. You can tone it down. But I use it a lot. Like, I push it usually to like 175 on a lot of images because it gives that extra little pop of, skin depth, contrast depth, roundness, and it gives it just a little more of that film look. So don't forget to use your intensity slider.